Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn active and passive voice rules for all tenses. Here we are listening out the active and passive voice rules for all tenses. You will come to know how an auxiliary verb is used to change a sentence from active to passive voice. Before this video, I told you about active voice and passive voice, and in this video we will know about active and passive voice rules for all tenses. So let's get started. Active and passive voice rules for present simple tense. Here in the table, we are elaborating rules of active and passive voice with examples for present simple tense. Let's see formula. Active voice, subject plus be1 plus yes or es plus object. Second, are negative, subject plus do does plus not plus v1 plus object. Third, do does plus subject plus v1 plus object. Passive voice, auxiliary verb is mr. Let's see first, object plus is mr plus v3 plus by plus subject. And in negative, object plus is mr plus not plus v3 plus by subject. And third, is mr plus object plus v3 plus by subject. Let's see some exercise for knowing better. He reads a novel. This sentence is active voice, and when we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be a novel is read. Okay, let's change this sentence in negative form. It will be he does not read a novel, and in passive it will be a novel is not read by him. Let's see question form of active voice and passive voice. Active voice, does he read a novel? When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be is he read a novel? Now we will know rule for present continuous tense. Below we will explain the rules of active and passive voice with examples for this sentence. Active voice, subject plus is mr plus be1 plus ing plus object. In negative form, subject plus is mr plus not plus be1 plus ing plus object. And in question form, is mr plus subject plus be1 plus ing plus object. Let's see in passive voice. First, object plus is mr plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. And in negative form, object plus is mr plus not plus being plus v3 plus by subject. And in third question form, is mr plus object plus v3 plus by subject. Let's see some examples. Asa is singing a song. This sentence is present continuous tense or active voice. When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be a song is being sung by a Aisha. Sung is the third form of verb, and in negative form, active voice, Aisha is not singing a song. when we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be a song is not being sung by Aisha. Let's see next sentence. Is Aisha singing a song? When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be is song sung by Aisha. Let's see next active passive rules for present perfect tense. You can understand passive voice for present perfect tense from the list which are given below. Okay, let's see first formula of active voice in present perfect tense. Subject plus has have plus be3 plus object, and in negative subject plus has have plus not plus be3 plus object. Let's see question form has have plus subject plus be3 plus object. Let's see in passive voice auxiliary verb has have plus been. First object plus has have plus been plus be3 plus by plus subject. In negative form object plus has have plus not plus been plus be3 plus by subject, and question form has have plus object plus been plus be3 plus by subject. Let's see exercise. Let's see. Nitesh has challenged her. This sentence is present perfect tense, and when we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be she has been challenged by Nitesh. In negative form, Nitesh has not challenged her, and we will change this sentence in passive form. It will be she has not been challenged by Nitesh. And next question form has Nitesh challenged her. When we will change this sentence in passive form, passive voice, it will be has she been challenged by Nitesh. Let's move on. Active passive rules for past simple tense. Here in the below table, you can check active and passive voice rules for past simple tense. Let's see formula. Active voice in positive form, subject plus V2 plus object. In negative, subject plus did plus not plus B1 plus object. In interrogative, did plus subject plus B1 plus object. Let's see passive voice form. Auxiliary verb was verb. In positive form, object plus was verb plus B3 plus by plus subject. In negative form, object plus was verb plus not plus B3 plus by subject. And in interrogative form, was verb plus object plus B3 plus by subject. Let's see example. Reena cleaned the floor. When we'll change this sentence in passive form, the floor was cleaned by Reena. Again, we'll see this sentence in negative form. Active voice, Reena didn't clean the door. In passive voice, the floor was not cleaned by Reena. In active voice, did Reena clean the floor? In passive voice, was the floor cleaned by the Reena? Let's move on. Active voice and passive voice rules for past continuous tense. We can easily convert sentence from active to passive voice according to given rules below. Let's see formula. Active voice. In positive form, subject plus was verb plus be1 plus ing plus object. In negative form, subject plus was verb plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object. And in interrogative form, was verb plus subject plus be1 plus ing plus object. Let's see passive voice. Auxiliary verb was verb plus being. In positive form, object plus was verb plus being plus v3 plus by plus subject. In negative form, object plus was verb plus not plus being plus v3 plus by subject. In interrogative form, was verb plus object plus being plus v3. Let's see example. Active voice. Nikita was painting the ball. Passive voice. The ball was being painted by Nikita. Again, negative form, active voice. Nikita was not painting the ball. In passive voice, the ball was not being painted by Nikita. And active voice, was Nikita painting the wall? In passive voice, it will be, was the wall being painted by Nikita? Let's move on next. Active passive rules for past perfect tense. There are certain active and passive voice rules for past perfect tense. With tense, only you can convert any sentence in the passive voice. Let's see formula of active voice. In positive form, subject plus had plus v3 plus object. And negative form, subject plus had plus not plus v3 plus object. Third, question form, had plus subject plus v3 plus object. Let's see passive voice. Auxiliary verb had plus been. Let's see positive form of passive voice. Object plus had plus been plus v3 plus by plus subject. Negative form, object plus had plus not plus been plus v3 plus by subject. Question form, had plus object plus been plus v3 by subject. Let's see some example. Misha had cleaned the floor. When we will change this sentence in passive form, passive voice, the floor had been cleaned by Misha. In negative form, active voice, Misha had not cleaned the floor. Let's change this sentence in passive voice. The floor had not been cleaned by Misha. Let's see question form of active voice. Had Misha cleaned the floor? When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be, had the floor been cleaned by Misha. Let's move on. Active passive rules for simple future tense. You can check active voice and passive voice rules chart for future simple tense. Let's see formula. Subject plus will shall plus v1 plus object. And in negative form, subject plus will shall plus not plus v1 plus object. And interrogative form, will shall plus subject plus v1 plus object plus. Let's see passive voice. Positive form, object plus will plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject. And in negative form, object plus will plus not plus be plus be3 plus by subject. In interrogative form, will plus object plus be plus be3 plus by plus subject. Let's see some examples for understanding. Priya will sew the bag. Let's change this sentence in passive voice. The bag will be sewed by Priya. Let's see negative form of active voice. Priya will not sew the bag. When we will change this sentence in passive voice, the bag will not be sewed by Priya. Let's see next. Active voice. Will Priya sew the bag? When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be, will the bag be sewed by Priya? Let's move on. Active passive rules for future perfect tense. Here we are sharing the active voice and passive voice rules for future perfect tense. Let's see formula. Subject plus will plus have plus be3 plus object. Let's see in negative. Subject plus will plus have plus not plus be3 plus object. And question form, will plus subject plus have plus be3 plus object. Let's see passive voice in positive form. Object plus will plus have plus be3 plus by plus subject. And negative form, object plus will plus have plus not plus been plus be3 plus subject. And interrogative sentence form, will plus object plus have plus been plus subject. Let's see some example. They will have brought the toy. When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be, the toy will have been brought by them. Let's see negative. They will not have brought the toy. Let's change this sentence in passive voice. The toy will not have been brought by them. Let's see interrogative sentence in active voice. Will they have brought the toy? When we will change this sentence in passive voice, it will be, will the toy have been brought by them? There is no passive voice formation for these sentences. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. If you want to ask something about the topic, please comment in the given below. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new update of my video. Thanks for watching.